Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. You know what, I took off the different possibilities here from the chart, only really to highlight the one scenario that at the moment at least appears to be the most likely one. My view is because we are holding here sort of around the 1280 level. I mean, we broke it briefly. We haven't substantially broken it, but we broke it briefly. And at the moment we're holding below this triangle. I've removed the other counts from the chart and just show this as an Elliott Wave triangle here, which peaked in a wave E of 4 at 1338. Yeah, and as long as we stay below this level, I'm going to focus now on the downside on this particular scenario here, in which we could very well already be in this 5-wave move to the downside to complete the 5th wave here. Yeah? I mean, to be fair, this could just be an ABC, to be honest, as well. I think this would actually be the more likely option, that this is an ABC, this is going to be an ABC, or we just have the first waves of the ABC, because in the end, I have counted the entire move down here, yeah, as an ending diagonal in wave C, which means each of these subwaves has 3 waves. So there's different ways of counting it again, you know, but for now this here is a 5-wave move down, yeah, an impulse down. So there's different ways of counting this. We could say that let me just do this. So we could say here that was just at the moment a wave A already. Yeah, we're moving up in B, come down in C, maybe to $1,200. This would be quite a strong move up in a wave B then, because it would need to be a flat pattern. No, sorry, a zigzag. That would be a zigzag with 5 waves down. Just a normal wave B that could retrace to maybe, you know, the 38.2 to 78.6% fib retracement. So we're looking here at possibly a little more of a retracement to 1295 to maybe even 1323 and then come down. But in the end, we need to be honest, at the moment we are holding below the ascending trend line. And you know how this is going to develop in the micro. There are, again, various possibilities here, but for me the trend is down, especially as long as we stay below 1338. Now here's a little swing high at 1319. You could argue that if we get above 1319, that would already indicate a stronger recovery, so we should stay below that. But the point is, yeah, as long as we stay below 1319, more importantly 1339, the focus is imminently on the downside, and we could be already on track here for lower lows. In fact, as long as we especially stay below the ascending trend line, that is a particular sign of weakness, and that would then play out as shown here. And we're looking for lower lows here in a wave 5, ideally sort of in the region between 1150, 1200. Yeah, that is what I would like to see. And a confirmation for the breakdown would be to take out the previous swing low here at 1269, 1268. That would also then break the wave B low here, and I think then we're going to see those lower lows that we waited for, we've been waiting for. I will put another long position in here if we drop once more into this green area here, lower than the wave 3 low here, which was at 1220 on the 21st of September. And then ideally what we do, we expect a recovery from anywhere in here, ideally above 1130, which is the 78.6% fib level, but very importantly above $1,000, which is the 88.7% level. If we drop below $1,000, the imminent breakout scenario, the larger breakout scenario, is invalidated, and then we will look at possibly prices all the way down to 650. So again, for me at the moment it is more likely that we're in a breakout scenario, but the breakout scenario ideally gets one more low before we get into this highlighted breakout pattern, a 5-wave move to the upside, which would follow afterwards, in which again the first wave would be, the first wave itself would be a 5-wave move, yeah, and then it would take us to around $3,000, maybe even higher, if this plays out. For example, if you look at the Quant chart, Quant, for example, is already in this 3rd wave in my opinion. Ethereum probably hasn't started it yet. We need one more low before we do it. And that's my update about Ethereum. So currently on track here for lower lows, which is the let's say, the higher level expectation before we finally come up. And yeah, hope you liked the update. I'll keep you updated about Ethereum anyway. Again, hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.